Okay, here's part one of finding or adding rational expressions. In this case, I'm subtracting, but I'll show you in a moment how to change that to addition. So the first step in this process of adding these two fractions is to determine what the common denominator is. And how I do that is I just look at the denominator, which is here AB and CB. So I'm going to look at that denominator and just decide what's missing on the left and what's missing on the right. Well, if you notice, they both have a B in common, right here and right here. And so we don't have to worry about that. That's already in common. Okay, but we have this A on the left and a C on the right. So on the left, we need a C. So we're going to multiply by C over C. Well, C over C is 1, so we really haven't changed anything. I've just multiplied by a really fancy number 1. And on the right side, we're missing an A. So I'm going to multiply by A over A. Okay. So on the left, we've got C times 1, which is just C, over A times B times C. So we'll leave those. Change the subtraction to addition. Change the sign to the right. And now we have A times 1, which is A. And again, CBA is, if you use the commutative property, is A times B times C. So now we have common denominators. We've got A times B times C on the bottom, A times B times C on the top, or on the bottom of both sides. And you've got C plus negative A on the top. So just like when you're adding fractions, your denominator stays the same. So we got A times B times C, and then C plus a negative A on the top. And so this is a simplified expression. There's not much more we can do to that. Okay. On the next part, I'll show one a little more complicated than this.